Avoid bringing this type of sandals to Thailand. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll give you a quick tip about sandals you should be using in Thailand. So what happened, I have this pair of sandals which I bought in Canada, and then walking lady bought this pair, and they're like, $40 to $50 Canadian. So you can see that they're not cheap, they're expensive. Now what happened, after coming here, they started smell so bad that we are unable to use these anymore. We washed it, we dried it completely, we tried everything, but the smell just won't go away. And you can see that we cannot even take this back. So what we did, we're going to trash it here within a day or so, because these are, I think, unusable right now, and I think whatever you do, the smell won't go away. So we just went to a store and bought these cheap $10 per pair sandals. So I think this should solve the problem a little bit. Although I have a feeling that these are going to smell, but not like an extreme smell like these pairs. And I think the fabric and the designing and probably the material, which is rubber, I have a feeling these are like different material than these. Probably these smell a little bit less. So we're just like going to trash these and wear this for the rest of our trip, which is another 10-15 days in Thailand and Dubai. So that was a lesson learned hard way. Next time we are going to be cautious about what we are taking to wear, but for sure this type of sandals we are not going to be buying them anymore, especially if we are going to a tropical country. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.